Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we discuss all things digital marketing. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most important aspects of affiliate marketing, choosing the right niche. Let's face it, knowing what niche to get into is half the battle when it comes to affiliate marketing. It's the foundation of your business and ultimately will determine your success or failure. But don't worry, I'm here to help guide you through this process step by step. 1. What is a niche and why is it important? Before we dive in too deep, let's start with the basics. A niche is simply a specific area of focus for your business. It's essential to choose a niche because it allows you to target a particular audience, build authority in that area, and ultimately increase the chances of conversions. Now let's discuss how you can choose the right niche for your affiliate marketing venture. 2. Identifying your interests and passions. When starting your research, ask yourself what your interests and passions are. There is no point diving into a niche that does not excite you or that you're not interested in. Your interest will help to build a passion for your niche and ultimately grow your business accordingly. This will also make content generation smoother and exciting for you. 3. Analyzing the profitability of your niche. Once you've identified your interests, your next step is to analyze the profitability of the niche. It's significant to know whether or not the niche you're considering can yield profits. This means that you have to conduct market research to know the demand. You can, for instance, use tools such as Google Trends. 4. Assessing the competition in your niche. After analyzing the market demand, it's essential also to assess your competition. When starting, pick a niche where there might be a reasonable amount of competition, but not too much to make it difficult to penetrate. This will give you a blueprint of how you can improve in your niche and what is required to be competitive. 5. Establish your unique selling proposition, USP. Lastly, be sure that you establish your unique selling proposition or USP. Ask yourself, what can I offer to my audience that other people in this niche might not provide? This could be a unique concept, style, or even niche focus. You want to find a way to stand out and attain a competitive advantage. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope that the points I discussed on choosing the right niche will help set you on the path to success in your affiliate marketing. Remember, it's a process, so don't give up. Keep pushing and continue to improve over time.